talk about the basics. As I said, VRP. VRP stands for Vehicle Routing Problem. It is about determining optimal routes for vehicles that start and end at a depot. So they have VRP has certain conditions that need to be met. That every customer has visited exactly once. All demands are met. Minimize total distance or cost. Minimize number of vehicles and adhere to constraints. And one of the case studies that we discussed was about they have a distribution center or a depot in one of the locations, and they had to cater to 10 distributors in a single day. So 10 distributors had placed a random demand. तो वो कैसे उनको fulfill होगी, कितने vehicles चाहिए, कितना उनका route planning क्या हो, right? Obviously, when we do it manually, you need to have an additional thing about distance metrics. Obviously, when you use technology, all those APIs are built into it. Otherwise, one of the primary objective is also key distance minimize, right? So how do we, so when we do it manually or set up our own algorithms, we need to have a data point on distance metrics. Distance metrics is from and to ka metrics, distance ka metric. There are various types of VRPs. It could be, capacitated VRP, it is called, जहाँ पे एक limited capacity होती है, every vehicle has a certain capacity. Time window VRP, which is customers must be served within a specific time. Multiple depot VRPs, one could have more than one depots. जयपुर में हो सकता है 2 depots हों या 5 depots हों, right? Delhi, for example, I worked in a paints company. They had 3 depots. Within the city also they could have multiple depots. VRP backhauls vehicle must handle both deliveries and pickups, typically for e-commerce. Stochastic VRP, where demand and travel time are uncertain, very, very realistic. You could face jams, you could have higher or lower demand. Dynamic VRP, again, add in customer request can change in real time. आप लेके जा रहे हो material and आपका बीच में ही demand change हो गया. Could happen in a lot of cases in FMCG industry. Open VRP, vehicles don't return to the depot after deliveries. Typically, जैसे हम market vehicles लगाते हैं and we want to do milk run optimization. So obviously, they cover point 1, 2 from your main depot or the plant, and they end up at the last. They don't necessarily come back to the depot. Typically, your dedicated vehicles will come back to the depot. Otherwise, it's a open VRP. So open VRP is basically typically for market vehicles.